Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 1 for environment and development. In this video, we will give you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question number first. Which development approach aims to meet present needs without compromising future generations? So these are the options: industrial growth, sustainable development, rapid urbanization, economic liberalism. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, sustainable development. And now let's go to our question number 2. The Brundtland report is officially titled. So these are the options: Our Planet, Our Future, Our Common Home, Our Common Future, Shared Tomorrow. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, our common future. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? So these are the options: wind, solar, petroleum, biomass. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, petroleum. And now let's go to our question number 4. The term ecological footprint measures. So these are the options: forest density, water reserves, human demand on nature, air purity. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, human demand on nature. And now let's go to our question number 5. The RIO Earth Summit took place in, so these are the options: 1990, 1992, 1987, 2000. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 1992. And now let's go to our question number 6. What does UNFCCC primarily deal with? So these are the options: biodiversity conservation, climate change, desertification, ocean governance. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, climate change. And now let's go to our question number 7. Agenda 21 was adopted during which global event? So these are the options: Kyoto Protocol, Rio Summit, Johannesburg Summit, Stockholm Conference. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Rio Summit. And now let's go to our question number 8. The carrying capacity of Earth referred to. So these are the options: population control laws, birth death ratio, maximum population nature can support, food production rate. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, maximum population nature can support. And now let's go to our question number 9. The Kyoto Protocol was focused on reducing, so these are the options: noise pollution, solid waste, greenhouse gases, deforestation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, greenhouse gases. And now let's go to our question number 10. The SDGs replaced which earlier framework? So these are the options: ICZM, MAB, MDGs, GEF. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, MDGs. And now let's go to our question number 11. Think globally, act locally is connected to. So these are the options: industrial policy, environmental management, education reforms, agricultural subsidy. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, environmental management. And now let's go to our question number 12. Which gas has the highest global warming potential? So these are the options: carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, CFCS. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, CFCS. And now let's go to our question number 13. Green GDP subtracts which factor from the GDP? So these are the options: imports, environmental degradation, taxes, inflation. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Environmental degradation. And now let's go to our question number 14. Which sector contributes most to deforestation globally? So these are the options: transportation, mining, agriculture, tourism. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Agriculture. And now let's go to our question number 15. The concept of polluter pays implies. So these are the options: government pays for pollution, consumers bear all costs, those who cause damage pay, industries are exempt. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Those who cause damage pay. And now let's go to our question number 16. Stockholm Conference took place in. So these are the options: 1972, 1980, 1992, 2002. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. 1972. And now let's go to our question number 17. The IPCC was created by. So these are the options: UNEP and WMO, UNESCO and WHO, FAO and IMF, UNDP and WTO. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. UNEP and WMO. And now let's go to our question number 18. Which is a primary greenhouse gas? So these are the options: argon, helium, carbon dioxide, neon. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Carbon dioxide. And now let's go to our question number 19. Silent Spring was written by. So these are the options: Vandana Shiva, Rachel Carson, Gro Harlem, Brundtland, Lester Brown. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Rachel Carson. And now let's go to our question number 20. The ozone layer is mainly found in. So these are the options: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Stratosphere. And now let's go to our question number 21. Carbon credits are associated with. So these are the options: food security, emission trading, irrigation systems, mineral policy. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Emission trading. And now let's go to our question number 22. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? So these are the options: coal, natural gas, geothermal, uranium. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Geothermal. And now let's go to our question number 23. Which protocol focuses on ozone depletion substances? So these are the options: Kyoto, Montreal, Paris, Basel. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Montreal. And now let's go to our question number 24. The term biodiversity hotspot was coined by. So these are the options: Norman Mayers, Charles Elton, Paul Ehrlich, E.O. Wilson. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Norman Mayers. And now let's go to our question number 25. Paris Agreement aims to keep global temperature rise below. So these are the options: 3 degrees Celsius, 1.5 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. 1.5 degrees Celsius. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1 for environment and development. Now we will meet in our mock test part 2. So thank you friends for watching our video.